Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel.
Yes, me right here, so.
And this morning we are going to see Madrid. Alright, so take the journey with us. Please do remember to like, share and to subscribe to the channel. So once you post a new video, you will be updated. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. You may take up your load.
And I must remember to tell you, Marcel is always telling me I keep forgetting. Please remember to check out Kempsey Videography. We're on YouTube and we do offer streaming services. So you can reach out to us. And you know our number already, so you can reach out, all right? Okay guys, here goes. Ooh.
You have to watch your step, you know.
Yeah. Normally the truck is wet, but it dried this morning, so thank God for that. Alright guys, so we have to say thanks to all our donors, all our supporters, everyone who has made it possible for us to be able to do what we're doing, and we thank God for the opportunity to be able to help in the way that we're doing. Right, so would have gotten donation for
door open.
Madrid. So we spoke with him this morning and he did tell us that he is out of food and he gave us a number of items that he would like, so we stopped at the supermarket and got them a while ago. Mostly wheat stuff based on this condition.
Please clean up, man.
All right, and we are
Please
here.
clean up. We are wake you. Asleep, asleep. How are you say?
Oh wow.
Because generators can be available backup power stores during the storm, but if we don't use them.
We are going with Amma. Come catch him asleep. Yeah? So you're close there.
You're too hot, man. You're closer now.
Oh.
I say summer, you're up on the beach. You're fat though. I am.
Where go on?
We're there.
Oh boy.
Come give you a link.
Hey, Madrid, how you doing?
Me hearty, man. Me have to say me hearty, man.
You're hearty. You're not hearty, you're hearty, man. You're healthy.
Me happy?
So put on my blouse, huh? Where you show me? The shirt where you have to put on can hold that bag there. Appointment you look pan?
Look pan you don't do.
Yeah, it's a June 4th.
25.
So it's time with the pan here, how we write this?
Alright, hospital, right.
The hospital write it. The hospital they can write ugly, sir. Or somebody at hospital write it. Oh. I'm Madrid, I get dressed.
Alright.
Cause I'm Madrid, you know, wear clothes in the summer.
Oh bro.
Not you, Amma.
Yeah, but this man not take out now. That's sweet.
Back way, you put on when you do that, you know.
So?
That back way that.
How's that?
She has my belly big.
What do you want, Marcel?
Give me camera, we look for Madrid here. Alpha, you come here and see Madrid.
No, because Madrid I get dressed. So
Madrid ready, see me?
Madrid, how you do?
Madrid.
I'm there, ma'am.
You really look, you look so fat.
Oh,
Call to people who love you, man. Call to them.
Yeah. I don't know their name.
You have to know their name. There's so much. If you know their name, you have to go write in a book.
Oh.
Hello, my friend. Why me thank you for what you do for me still, you know? Yeah.
Yes. So how things otherwise?
I not too bad, you know, I'm there.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday I couldn't get nobody to buy nothing for me to cook, you know?
So you tell me this morning you have the money but you know nobody
Yeah.
buy the food.
You say money and nothing?
No, man.
You're hungry, you can't eat the money.
Eh?
Alright.
Can't at all.
Yeah, so we buy your stuff then where you tell we fi get
Yeah, you give thanks.
wheat biscuit, wheat bread,
Yeah.
coconut oil and the rest of
brown rice.
stuff. Brown rice.
But then say me not eat nothing white, you know?
Hey, boil rice
We
back.
not get the brown one in it.
Matter.
Bring your water.
As long as I know the white one.
Didn't get any eggs either.
So you can't throw like a brown in pan like man?
No, sir. You know got no color look.
No, we don't
it's
get
not
that either.
You have to
Maybe
go
we
to
did too
Bangkok,
early.
Inside the house or something.
Yeah, if me knew my food give me.
I think we were too early, so we never got the color low.
Oh.
But we get everything else.
Me have one round there, then I plant all sweet potato. I used to plant enough little thing down there, no?
What, sweet potato you say?
Yeah.
Oh.
I plant enough things, like a thing, but I too, me can't move, you know. I have to stand one place, you know.
Yeah.
I have stand one place every day, this lie down as a boy.
Not easy.
It's tough.
So if you go to the road, go see car pass, man.
You can't go out there.
Oh, Jesus.
Pull up the sheet to this side. Pull up your sheet to at your side.
Around here, so.
Next one.
That's so. Yesterday, I wake up early and I come out here today. I don't want to go to the Yakichi, but I fall long, so I have to come in back.
Oh. So you walk around a little better now?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
A bit better, so I don't know.
Yeah.
If when we go to the hospital there, what they want to do, but them say a spine, them work, you know. But over spalling, say they don't do spine. A KPH, me good have to go or me don't know where they must send me, you know.
Yeah.
So me line up, but me the first day for town, them send me, me know me manage with the fear to go up there for the car man, them say 25 grand, you understand?
But when again you did say the appointment 25th of when?
June.
June.
But me think it was,
I thought it was this month. That's why I called you and asked you.
25th, Mr. Pan, and I thought, me say,
on 25th, man.
give back your paper.
Oh, did it? On 25th, man, pa. But they write it too little.
Oh.
That's okay, make out it.
Then how you make out it? Tell me say that.
I'm going to put on my
Never said you can't make
glass.
out
You
yeah.
mean Akela?
You say you can't make out it.
Let me look pan it.
See, oh, yeah, so there.
Me know where them, man.
Oh,
I thought that June.
I vote.
Yeah, man, put it right in front of the camera. So if me not see it,
But them tell me up there 25th. I mean, look,
What's at the other side? What's on the other side?
I June 4.
near my holy car fully.
Yeah, so it's June 4. I'm seeing it.
Yes, I June 4.
So if you go there 25th, then I turn your back.
And what is that?
2025.
Yeah. Oh, 4th of June to 2.
So you see that I miss your appointment because you say 25th.
Yeah,
Actually the 4th.
it's shoot.
So you eat already since morning?
Yeah, me. 2 slices of bread, sir.
Oh.
So next, so Monday, week after next Monday I go.
Yeah.
Next week Monday. Next week Monday I which day?
Let me see. Let me check before Mary's.
Monday 2nd?
It's a month I done Saturday, no?
Yeah, so Monday 2nd. So Wednesday I go there.
Wednesday, I'm supposed to go up on Wednesday.
Yeah, Wednesday I go.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 week.
The 4th of Wednesday.
Next week Wednesday.
So it's next week. Yeah, next week Wednesday.
Right. For the much and tube to top it, so. On Wednesday clinic day, you understand? Yeah. But you don't come early today, though.
You come early, so you ready for go on?
Why I wouldn't mind me kiss already for wow, man, want to get up on me, man, you know.
Yeah.
How long you say you sit down for?
Long, about 4 years now.
4 years.
4 years, it's long on. Me spend $1 million when me save, you know.
I don't know if you want to refresh your memory, tell me what happened
Like,
to you. Make you sit down less now. You walk up and down, you can remember what happened.
if I'm sick, me used to ride our bike, you know. And the foot, it more than that one, you know.
Yeah.
So till this I can't take, you know. And it's like me cripple, you know, can't move.
The bike never drop you yet?
Yes, man.
I wonder if I bunks you get.
Time for them?
You can't just finna walk.
No, sir. And my foot swelling now, you know, see it? Look on it.
So,
You see it? Yeah, man. And numb, and but I'm numb. It's at night time. My foot stiff like iron.
scratch your mouth.
Yeah, it's scratching sometimes.
Yeah, I get help, man.
The visa.
Yeah, pray to God, He will heal you.
Yeah, man. Because I feel kind of little stronger in myself, you know.
Yeah, pray, not you?
Yeah, man.
You not pray for we come, though.
Yes, man.
You pray for we come, yeah? Yeah, that's why we feel tired, so we tired. Make we rest, man. Can't pray now.
I love your voice, man. Anytime you call me, I just ask you.
Yeah, you're on here.
We don't mind me reach a town already, man.
Yeah.
Well, it's just 1 week to go.
Yeah. Well, get up, man, and do something again. You understand? Then I can help myself, and if it's the milk or food, I can provide. You understand?
You could have gone up there, you know? No must. Tell us say you remember a date, so you come early. No, not early. Tell us say you come.
But me have to carry this when I go up there, you know. Me have to carry it
You
here.
know, when you go up there, they might look funny.
Oh.
Tell us say you can't see it. Lift your glass.
I said, me that go pretend, yeah.
Yeah, lift your glass in your yard.
Nobody go pretend. You try go there for it. Now follow Marcel.
I go to the fort, yeah.
Then that if put you up, because first thing you don't have no money if you come back down here. Tell them that.
I don't. No, but me not sure if I them go. Me have
So it's Pauline's you're going to go.
Yeah,
And then they decide where you're supposed to go next.
Them will tell me where
They
to
not
go.
tell you that from last time.
No, for them never get the report, the result.
Oh, so
So since the result come, you go to them?
No, this a date then give me if come.
maybe they
So then pick up the result?
No, they don't get it yet. When me go there other day, when me go up there the other day, they don't get it.
so you're not sure if them all get it by the 4th when you go.
Get it by the own man.
Also the lab where you go, them are going to send the result to the hospital?
Yes, I'm man, but they say the company system.
Okay.
So the company system, you understand?
Okay.
So that means you don't know if you go to Kingston then?
No,
You go back to Spalding's?
No, then Spalding said then don't do spine. You understand? So, I don't know if I'm Mandeville or a KPH.
So how you, that may I ask you, how you going to know where you go?
They might tell me on the 4th when we go, you know, where we
When you
go.
go to Spalding's?
Yeah. And that may go up if I
May I
know.
say you not go to on the 4th?
No.
It's going to Spalding's. And based on the result, then they'll tell him
Right.
that
They
if
don't
they
tell
get
me
the result too.
when we move, you understand? And they might tell me when we go, you know, if we move, you know.
Okay.
When you go to Spalding's and then check you, tell them say you want to move. No.
No, man.
Yes.
A cheat test, me go over man, the road taking and then put me in a cheat machine.
And push up your body in one place.
And put me in one whole machine and lift up my head no more.
So when you catch your afraid when your head left out and your body up there.
It cold like ice, man, and the machine big and it come out, come out and come in back, come out, come in, that's what it do me. So till then take me out.
Yeah.
And then put some people sitting for me and push for sitting for me. And it's sitting this a ground, so like a motor in night, you know.
Yeah. I check your body.
Yeah.
The place a bush up back already.
Bush up fast because of the rain too.
Yeah.
But I mean, I'm going to do it for what I do for me, you know.
You're
For me
welcome.
never get no help, me never no help me this day, so.
I one of them have to thank.
Yeah.
And then
So
we
we
are
all the
thank.
vessel. And thank God.
Yeah. And then me a thank God, man. Sometimes I'm used to hungry, you know, man.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
When last you hungry?
Well, from Saturday, me kind of hungry for me never, you know. We never get anything and...
Because you say who you're calling? You're calling somebody but they couldn't come to get you the food.
Right. I want bread, I'm a big dinner Sunday. See how they plate there? You see plate? See, it's that way DDB there.
Oh yeah. That's not a plate, that's a basin.
A basin?
Yes man, plate a flat one.
Oh. But you know them good.
You can't drink soup out of plate. Soup out of basin, not sure.
But I no soup, me ain't getting that.
It no matter. True, they know why you broke the chalk plate, they give you plastic.
Oh, yeah.
I just say okay. Oh boy.
Yes. I say go ya, Amma.
But the brother, but me tell you, me never put me help enough people. And they want help, no one then refuse, you know.
I know who you help, I go help you in the general.
Well, that's true.
Yeah.
Because me I get help and nobody
I
me
don't
help.
even know you.
Yeah.
You still have to give thanks to the blessings we are receiving.
Because I know, man, we got teach people wrong and then hope him. And his mother and his father and his whole family them put him by one door if he did a roadside.
Yeah?
And I'm business with him. And then call me. Some people call me and say, then put your friend out, that's what we did, man. So you can't do for him. I mean, he swell big when we go and do so. Finger go right down in him and
Yeah.
you see it talk more back at me, you know. And we take him up and go help him. And then we call him for help. Me say, no, no time for me.
So him get better now?
Yeah.
Him get better now?
Long time. A long time it happen, you know.
But remember, say, I know him they call you, know. And people them call you.
I know people then call me.
Your friends, people.
Yes,
People who know you guys were friends.
Yeah.
Say people them will call you, if you call, not call him. You never call you never want help.
Man, thing I don't time for me with
So you
that.
can't blame him.
No,
Huh?
you can't blame him. He do something for you, but I know him they ask you to do it.
But he knows, I mean, do it for him.
Oh, yes, but you know, you say your friend and him not say that.
Oh, I see.
Oh boy. That's trouble I'm for myself.
I'm a judge the boss.
I mean, do enough things, enough people, man.
There you go. Don't regret it though.
No, I don't regret. See, people do things to me, I know, you know.
Yeah, man.
I couldn't help myself, and I get little help.
Yeah.
Couldn't feed myself, I get little feeding, you understand? Give thanks, man.
Yeah, to God be the glory, great things he has done.
Yeah, great things he had done.
And you still have the great things here.
Yeah. So beg him, you
Like
know.
fact say you're alive.
Yeah, me
It's
so
enough.
beg him with deliverance, you know.
Yes.
Yeah, because I could have did, you know, enough man did, you know. Enough man, me and them take sick
Some
the
people
same
dead
time.
since you're sick.
Yes, man, and some retreat, man, we have money.
And dead gone left you.
With the
They
same,
might have did left some gear so you look
with the
like
same
yourself
sickness, you
now.
know, a man named Marshall up our up, you know him?
And same thing happened to Marshall?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm dead. Quick time, I'm dead with it. I'm still there. Sometimes I have to marvel and say, boy, God love me for.
Yeah.
And more time I say, I can't move none at all to me see me put them
Yeah,
behave,
man.
you know.
You could have been one of the on the door and roadside too.
True.
But you don't have nobody if you can go put your pan in there, then left for yourself.
Well, I must say so. But give God thanks and praise,
I
man.
mean,
For great things he had done, no matter can't move,
respect,
you know.
man.
Can't
Yeah.
crumble.
yes, I do that.
Yeah, man.
I was ready to talk to your niece. She was trying to get to you.
Which one? Oh,
The
yes,
one who
yes,
had called
yes,
us.
Yes,
Oh, okay.
I call her about 2 times. I think I never had no card, man.
Yeah. Okay.
I call her and she said she call me, you know.
So you get somebody to clean up?
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And wash up.
You look like you polish up floor and stuff.
Yes, man. Yeah, man.
You feel better.
And rub very little cobweb and thing like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Awesome. Looks much better than the
Yeah,
last
man.
time.
And get couple nice beard.
You get couple
beard
nice
better?
beard?
Yeah, man.
Oh, yeah, see. So they're not trim you?
You know, I think you know, hear on the family trim. Unless you know, go bally, I mean, no cool.
Yeah.
I wait to see we come and come with another nice beard, you know.
Can I come beard again?
But we don't know when you want to come.
She will know when you come. She will know when you want beard.
Well, I want beard no man.
Did you tell her?
Me da call her, but never get her.
Oh. Maybe I have to go look for her.
Yeah.
I walk, where you walk, you know?
True, man.
So when we come to you, you walk, come up our road, come meet we. Yeah. I help you carry down some of the heavy load.
I walk from town, come down.
At town, where I go walk from?
Yeah.
No matter of fact, I not even follow you at town. You just call me and tell me when you start to meet up on it.
I don't know come meet me, yeah.
Yes.
Don't walk around no lava, man.
Watch your whole because it told not safe.
Yeah. Can't let me pass too fast, man, and then lick me down.
And you can't get no water if you buy on it toll. So you take
true.
whole and buy one bottle of water.
Yeah, man, and drink.
Yes.
I mean, I have one friend around all over road there on our church pen.
Yeah?
Our church corner, I must know, I don't know where you call it.
You know where you are talking.
Yeah. I'm in there, man, same old story.
We not come fit on with you, you know?
Same old story.
This is a company you want, but you have to go turn on the radio.
Yeah, man, why not that
have
in the radio and
lizards.
the TV there?
Yeah.
A lizard.
This is tan about in business.
They're right behind you.
One floor mat, man, when put on my foot, down the coal, you know.
I remember nothing about
Oh,
him,
he
man.
had said it. Oh.
Last time you did tell about him, but you
Yeah.
don't remember nothing.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, down the coal, man.
So then who was there? Wa? I back them where you use?
Yeah.
So you have them on the floor, sir?
I'd come use them and them and put them long, use them. But that one now, you see that one there? When me I get up like to go to the kitchen, me use that one
That
there.
one with the blue something on it?
That one there. Me use it, yes. Should be in my waist. But the big one, you know, me use it at night time, you know?
So,
Yeah.
So you empty it yourself?
Yeah, man. And trying to me on to the outside there. You smell out the rain from me, can go for man.
I just smell one ring this up our road.
Way up a road.
Yeah, be one day for you.
No,
up there.
no, so man.
Yes, get your attention, man. You feel laugh.
Me no go up there, man.
They say you go up there.
I know you, I'm a dread.
If I come from the hospital, me no touch back
So I know
road.
you.
And sometimes I walk go up there.
Up the bush it, you know?
Up a road.
Tan bad.
Oh, God.
Yeah.
No big, we know if you cut him.
I get it clean up.
I don't know if you ask man. So. The pass.
Especially right at the front of the roadside.
We turn on here.
Tan bad. I don't know how we find the road this morning.
I don't know it, but when you come back to the Waka, man.
I have to go arrange it.
Embarrassing, could have cut it down for you, you know. And they will grow up back quick. Then grass will go quick and through the rain, you know.
Yeah, man, rain hold it.
Alright, that's no more, that's what we cut it over. Mango up on the tree, so when they drop, you know, and can't see them.
So,
Yeah,
so you eat mango?
yeah, man.
Which part of mango then now?
In the pine tree there.
Some mango trees over there. Holy.
When me come down, me look on the mango up on the top there. I suppose you're right on top there now.
That tree with the right, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, this one.
A big tree there.
Oh, mango in there, not a lot, but some up
You see
there.
mango, you don't see them too, ma'am?
Yeah, some up in the top.
I pay bush over there so we can't look no mango over there.
Who is gonna look mango?
In Madrid, one mango.
Yes, them are drop
They're
mango
not
right
ripe.
in the bush.
All of the ripe ones. Yeah, it's bushy.
Mangoes could have all it up them already.
Yeah. So me say me want to cut down last, you know. We can go out there.
Ain't no mango from the season start.
No, sir.
Oh, yeah, I
Oh,
I
we could have bring him some mangoes.
Me and jeans me I eat right mango.
say. You know if you dream it, you know if you eat in your dream. You know if you eat in your dream. You know if you wake up and rebuke it here.
Eh.
No, not in your dream.
We jeans me I eat right mango, man, and I laugh.
That's to give discipline when you're asleep, man.
And we jeans me I dance and I jump and I reel.
That you pray for.
Yeah, man, and I give thanks. Jump in the air. You know,
Yeah.
and I dance. And I give thanks.
Dancing sounds good.
You're dancing in the skies.
Yeah.
Alright. We're not coming off it with you, you know?
Well, alright, sir.
I did tell you that already, but you never hear. Let me just that wait for you to say it again.
Yeah.
Right, I'm Madrid,
I
so
give you people them thanks.
yeah.
They help me, you know.
Yeah, man.
And your stuff
Even
there
if
right
God
here,
bless
so.
them, you know.
Yeah. So we have the box of groceries and
Yeah, man.
water.
Thanks, man.
They got a whole heap of saltfish. We don't know when they go down it off them there.
The saltfish, we mostly eat, you know.
Yeah.
For the meat now, I'm not too full on the meat, then so I'm not to eat the meat, you know.
Yeah, if you soak out the salt out of the saltfish,
Me
good,
know
you
how
know.
to eat, man. Especially the
How you
chicken.
get out, tell me how you get out the salt, because we love saltfish, you know, but we can't get out the salt.
Scale it before you cook it, man, and wash it.
Oh, scale it before you cook it.
And then now when you cook it, you wash it again.
Oh. So scale it first.
Yes.
That take off the skin.
Yeah. No, have to take off the skin. Scale.
Oh, the scale.
And then they scale the salt there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Scale it and wash it, man.
But them are saltfish are where I get you now. We look at them soaking in some water, man. One if a salt water then soaking, how they big so and heavy.
No.
We never see
man.
no fish fat so.
First time for fish is to thicker, man. When you get fish from England, hard. Thick and come in a peg when you can pinch up one peg master. But it ain't salt like this. And it used to taste nice.
Yeah.
I used to get on bully beef near Libby's. Yeah, I eat good, man.
Yeah.
You know, make them there again.
And one red herring, nothing, they call it fresh herring.
For sure.
You know it?
Me hear
Yeah,
the
man.
name.
Eat good.
You know what the thing where I think when name with the whole heap of fine bone, what name again?
What's that?
Yes, shad.
Shad.
Oh.
I want fish, me like to, you know, man. No.
Yeah, but me not see them myself.
You can get it, but you have to search.
Oh.
That's the one they normally have in the
Yeah.
market and them small.
Yeah, shad.
At one
Shad and banana.
Wow.
Yeah.
I have one year herring too, but it white.
Oh.
I don't like the herring too raw. But shad nice, man.
Yeah, man.
Shad and banana, shad and roast beetroot.
Oh yeah, chat say man.
Oh my God.
I just roast the shad too.
Yeah.
Get yourself some of that and carry some from here.
Yeah, man. If you get shad, you can piece me, man.
Yeah, man.
That,
Sad.
Maybe a man will have to get it.
If you ask
In the market.
In a market.
Yeah, where they sell the pickle fish
Yeah.
in a jug, you know.
We're going to check in a market at Christiana.
What do you call pickle fish now?
Shad a pickle fish, you know.
Oh.
Mackerel pickle fish, though.
Oh, okay,
You
okay.
understand?
Yeah, salt mackerel.
Yeah.
Okay.
Pickle fish. And we then sell pig's tail. I don't think they are pickle.
So once you put salt on it,
And
Yes.
pepper.
so it's saltfish and pickle fish too.
No. Right.
It's not the salt. I think it's more the pepper.
But the shad them keep in the water.
Yeah, like the canned pork and so now they have it in the bucket with the water and everything.
Right, same with the shad.
So pickle everything. Understand.
All right.
Because the salt water keep, you know.
Yeah.
And the salt water now.
Soaking in it.
And the salt water now cut out the bacteria. Make it in a red again. Even beef if you can with salt, you know.
Yeah.
You know, red again, you know, you take out the beef, you white, and all the red is in the water turn red.
So that would have better for soaking in salt water?
Yes, man, more have to keep it on fridge.
Oh.
Free, I'm going to put more bacteria in there, you know.
I hear. So
Yeah.
you can do it chicken too?
Well, I don't know about chicken.
You must get anything meat, anything with flesh, you know, can can it? You can't sound chicken. I'm tasty. Just use salt. Salt. No,
Yeah, we use parental leaf and ginger and something, you know. I remember like we used to can pork and can beef, you know, and put in a barrel.
Yeah.
Cause every Christmas day we used to kill either goat or a girl. And if my old man sell one cow, then call the 5th quarter, they get back the 5th quarter, you know.
What the 5th quarter? Which part of the cow that?
Chipe.
That's a run I back leg.
No, it's a chipe, foot and head.
Oh.
Yeah, 5th quarter that. You see all the head, you covered in corn in the salt there. And when in cooking, man, gummy man, when in cooking and taste nice, you know.
Yeah. But look here, why most of the people them use can stuff? Actually, they never have no fridge.
Yeah.
But no.
So them come up with the whole idea of canning
Can,
stuff.
of
To
course.
preserve it.
Yeah. And put it over creng.
Yeah.
You know that part there too?
Me know creng man.
Oh, over fireside there.
Me use a TV chipe, hot knife and TV chipe. And cut it. When you hot knife and cut the chipe,
Yeah.
it's swing back, you know.
Eh?
Yeah, mama, can't find out. Sit down fresh cut.
This is a shrink dog.
You know, sit down fresh cut the tongue, see like how you see it. But if you cut with the knife and your knife not hot, give you some lick to your TV chipe. But we used to cut him and cook in a Ovaltine and Milo can. Yes.
Wow.
Soup.
But like all them, the one that we did over creng, you could have cut off your eat the same way, you know.
Yes, I smoke curry, you know.
Yeah.
Giotic. Cow head beef. You know, you don't know one named salt pork.
Salt pork.
Yeah.
Wouldn't that be corn pork?
No, salt pork. You him say no. In the kitchen top there, over a creng too.
Yeah.
But it don't dip in a pot and take out the back and put up there, you know. And the soup of taste. Like meat in it.
Oh, so they're not cooking no time.
You don't cook.
Just give patty taste.
Yeah. You know cook.
Oh, so always stay up there and it just dip in the pot and always put back up there?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
Yes, man. And you can't tell if meat not cooking there.
Yeah.
So although in the pot don't have no meat, it tastes like meat in there.
Like meat.
Yeah.
So that has spoiled meat up there.
I want piece of white sitting there salt.
Sometimes my God used to take those things, you know.
No, my God can't
No,
take
that's
it because I smoke.
Smoking.
Oh.
So when you have your fire outside kitchen, you just have your fire side.
Yes.
And then you just put one mesh over the top, which part the pot would have put on.
You white pot, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So everything will come up, steam out of the pot, smoke, everything go up under it. And
Drop
yeah,
sometimes.
drop fat in your pot when you cook.
Truly?
That's it.
We never know that.
Yes, man.
Never know.
They make pot so sweet and now, you know.
My grandmother did have one creng in her kitchen.
Yes,
I
man.
remember what used to happen there.
Yeah, man. Every meat in every
Yeah?
chipe.
Yeah.
Oh.
Because them people love chipe, you know. Cook soup.
Right now, no creng can't make it. I have to just.
But no kitchen, no, they have gas stove.
Yeah.
That I think.
Good.
Everything changed now.
I have to make one.
You see how them live long though.
Yes,
They live
it's
long how many
true.
people them now because
Because you never used to
cancer-
eat so much
cancer
processed.
kill all the people now.
Yeah, they never
But
used to
Stuff,
eat
too much
processed
processed
food.
and things.
But too much fridge food.
Yeah, the fridge. Yeah, well, like that.
Fling bacteria on the meat.
Yeah.
But you over crank and when they can, you know, no bacteria. Yeah, man. They're very nice too.
Yeah, man. Anyway, we are going now.
Yeah.
Again for the third time.
So give thanks, yeah.
Yes, man.
And tell the people many thanks what they do
Tell
for
them
me.
they were here. Yeah,
For them doing great things to me. Great things.
man.
Yeah, man. I'm blessing follow them all the days of their life, you know.
Yes.
Why them great though and do great things to me still, you know. Love them and give thanks to them, you know. I what if people see me on this, you know.
Yeah, man.
Until me
You're there worldwide.
until me say they see me.
Yeah. Alright, we turn over to Michelle.
Alright guys,
That close.
this is where we end the video for today. Have to say thanks to all our donors,
Yes.
everyone who has been reaching out, checking up on us and
True.
the persons we serve. God bless you.
Yes.
And I must remember to tell you, Marcel is always telling me I keep forgetting. Please remember to check out Kempsey Videography. We're on YouTube and we do offer streaming services. So you can reach out to us. And you know our number already, so you can reach out. Alright. So until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a little Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Remember the mat to me, yeah?
Yes, alright, I'm
The
a
mat to put on the floor.
Yes. Anytime you need for you remember where you ask me go watch a video.
Alright.
Yes.
So that's me can put on my foot on the like cool body, you know.
Yeah, man.
If you never have on shoes, you have to come off for a long time, you know.
For real.
Yeah, man, cool.
Alright guys, blessed love.
Yeah, love again.
Ah.
Yeah.